This is a 1 billion naira home in Lekki Phase 1. Now, this home comes with an ample parking space of up to 6 or 7 cars. It's quite spacious. You have 5-bedroom, fully detached home right here. Spacious living area, spacious rooms. It comes with a cinema. It comes with an office space. It has a rooftop terrace. Okay. So, we're going to be taking a quick tour, but if you're new to my channel, you want to quickly subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this home. Welcome home. So this is what we have here, a 5-bedroom, fully detached. We have 2 units, but that one is sold. This is the only one on the market. So you have a generous parking space. A generous parking space that can take up to 6 cars. So let me take you through the exterior before we go inside. So this is the exterior. This is the compound space just by the side. You have your water tap right here. And this door leads you to the kitchen, but we'll see it from the inside. Then you have your water tank. Have your water tank already installed. And you have this space for your gazebo where you can set up, your outdoor living area. You can set up your outdoor living area. And this is your pool. You have your pool just right here. Okay. And you still have, enough walkway to pass through. You have your water pump and your water treatment here, so you're sure you're getting clean water. Now over here, you have your boys' quarters. So this is the boys' quarters. This is your boys' quarters, and that's your restroom. So let's go right inside. So going inside, have this greenery here, and you have this clouding on the facade. You have generous windows, glass windows with wood lights entering into the home, as well as ventilation. Then you're welcome by this door. Of course, it has a facial ID and a biometric. So when you step in, just by my left, you have your visitor's room. So this is where your visitor's room is. It's your ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. Still by my left, you have your powder room. Have your powder room. And this is your primary living area. This is your primary living area. And you've got your floor to ceiling TV console. That's your floor to ceiling TV console. Going further into the tour, you have your kitchen just right here. So this is your kitchen, quite spacious. So with the island, you have this embedded, as well as your 5-burner gas cooker. The heat extractor is just right on top of it. And you have compartment as well. That's your oven, your microwave. So this is what the kitchen looks like. Let's see what we have here. So this is where you have your double door fridge. Okay, so this is what we have here, and this door is the one I showed you that leads you outside. You also have your space where you can put your washing machine. Okay, So I think we can go upstairs with all that we have seen. So you have your staircase just by this side of the home. So this is your primary living area again. And your staircase is here. So the staircase is a wooden staircase. So it does not have sensor lights. When you come upstairs, you have your secondary living area, as well as your family lounge. It has a TV console, and of course, you can have access to your primary living area from here. So this is your family lounge. A family lounge. So let's take a look at that room over there. Because this home is on 2 floors. So you have your spacious room just right here. The TV console as well. You have your closet here. Let's see what this door. Oh, okay. So this is where we have the ensuite bathroom. So you have a bathtub. You have your walk-in shower. Okay. So this comes with this room right here. Mind you, this is not the master's. Okay. So we have this door here. Let me see where that leads. Okay. So this leads us to this balcony right here. And of course, this is your neighborhood. So let's continue with the tour. Let's go see those rooms there. So you have this room right here. That's your TV console. You have your wardrobe right here. And this is your ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. Okay. You have this other room here. You have this other room here. The wardrobe is right there. And this is what we have here. This is your ensuite bathroom. And your walk-in shower. All right, let's go to the last floor. So over here, you have your kitchenette. This is your cinema room. You have this space here. Of course, the door leads you to the rooftop terrace. So this is your rooftop terrace. This is your neighborhood. Okay. So still by my left, we have the space for your office. So you can set up your office right here or a gym, whichever rock your boat. Then we'll have one more room right here. But before then, let's see what's here. Okay, so this is maybe like a storage room where you can keep your inverter or whatever you choose to store there. So we have this room here. The room on the first floor is quite big. I don't know if it's bigger than this, but it's looking similar. So that's your TV console. You have your walk-in closet here. This is your walk-in closet. And you've got your big ensuite bathroom right here. That's your walk-in shower. You have your bathtub. You still have enough space to play around with. Okay. So what do you think of this home? Every detail will be in the description. Do well to go through it. And if you like to call this home, you already know who to call. Give us a call and let's get you home. Bye. Thank you.